Okay, so all of my contacts have been exported from Outlook or from GoDaddy, and now what we need to do is set up Office 365 inside of Outlook. So we want to go to the control panel on your computer, and then usually it looks like this. We just go to View by Category and go to Large Icons and then click on Mail, Outlook, Office 2013, which is what I had. And then you go to Show Profiles, and then before I set this up already, it only had Outlook on here, and now I'm setting up Office 365. And the way I did that was I went to Add, and then I created a new profile name, which was Office 365. And I pressed OK, and what it did was it had me fill out a form, and the form was just like email and name and then create a password. So the password is your Office 365 password, so it's your login information for Office. And then you press finish, and then you will have this as the option that has come up from adding it. So there it is, Office 365. So then what I do is prompt for a profile. Okay, I think. Highlight Office 365. Sorry about that. Let me go back. So we highlight Office 365, select prompt for profile to be used. So yeah, we want to make sure this is clicked, and then we press apply and OK. And then we close out Control Panel, and we close out Outlook. So then we open Outlook, and I should have just saved this to, or pinned this to my desktop. So I'm going to right click and pin to taskbar, my taskbar. Sorry guys, I'm tired. So we go to choose profile, and now it's telling us, well, do you want to open it from Outlook or do you want to open it from 365? We want to open it for 365, and we press OK. So now Outlook is thinking, and it's going to start populating the information into Outlook as the hosting is going through 365 instead of through the other Office that I was using. Now to import the files that we had exported earlier, you go to File, Open and Export, and then Import Export. And this time we want to do import from another program or file. We press Next, and then we either import the comma separated values, which is the CSV file that we exported from GoDaddy, or we do the PST file that we exported from Outlook. And I'm going to go ahead and find that file, which should be here. I believe that's the one. And replace duplicates with the items imported, and click Next. And I believe, let me just check my notes, make sure the import items option in the same folder. Okay, so it says make sure to import items in the same folder as this guy right here. So we will make sure this is highlighted and then finish. And then it starts populating, and I think after that it's set up. So right now all of your information that people are sending to the Asbex email is now already going through Microsoft Outlook 365 and is no longer going through GoDaddy, as far as I understand. And to check to see if that's actually the case, we go back to our browser. Let me bring this guy over here. And then we go back into our account. Let me make sure this is my account and not Rebecca's. Okay, this is my account. And then we go to account settings, I think. Hold on a second. Let me back up. Where's account settings? Where is account settings? Alright, I'm not quite sure. I'll get back to that in just a second. Okay, sorry about that. Everyone has finished downloading, I hope. Mine's finally finished populating, and now what I was saying was we go to File, okay, this is what I was looking for, Account Settings, and then Account Settings, and we double click on the account, and now it's showing that it's going to the Microsoft server instead of the IMAP, I think it was like secure.net or whatever it was that was the name of the GoDaddy account. Anyway, it should say something about Office Outlook 365.com, and that's how you know that the email has been populating into your Outlook that you're using. And I apologize again for this crazy event, and I hope that everything works out okay. Good luck, guys.